Introduction to Nanotechnology. The word nanotechnology comes to two words, nano and technology. Nano, Greek meaning draft or small, means 1 billionth of the meter. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 raised to 9 meter. First word nanotechnology given by Richard P. Feynman, and he also got a Nobel Prize in Physics in 1965. It is the engineering of tailoring of the function of system at the molecule or atomic scale. Nanotechnology work on bottom up phenomena other than the traditional phenomena of top down. In a past, the nanotechnology also is used in the sword of Tipu Sultan made up of Damshakar steel, and it also used in Bhasma Ayurvedic medicine, in also used in the 200 years ago in hair dye formula. The dimension of the physical world, we can see the how nanoparticles is smaller than the other particles. You are here, we have 1.75 meter, fly is of 1 centimeter, and the human head diameter have 50,000 nanometer, and human eye ability to see is 10,000 nanometer, and E. coli bacteria is of 2000 nanometer, and RBC of 5000 nanometer, and virus is of the 50 nanometer, and quantum dot is of 5 nanometer, and carbon nanotubes width is 1.3 nanometer, and buckyball is perfect 1 nanometer. Hydrogen atom is of 0.1 nanometer. A nanoparticle is of the range of 1 to 100 nanometer, and the transition partition IC circuit is about 90 nanometers. Nanotechnology is work with two microscope. First one is scanning tunneling microscope, and other one is atomic force microscope, is also known as AFM and STM. Different roles of nanotechnology. Nanoparticle have a higher SAV ratio than the other particles, which can provide him different than other particles. Fundamental carbon-based nanostructure. Most of nanoparticles are made up of carbon because the carbon makes the bond with oxygen, hydrogen, and nitrogen more efficiently. Here is the carbon fullerene C16. The buckyball is of different types: C60, C70, C76, C86. Here we see how the single wall nanotube is shown, is also known as SWNT, single wall nanotube, and here is multi-wall nanotube, MWNT, and carbon nanobots are newly discovered attached to the outer part of the carbon nanotubes. Properties of nanotubes. Tensile and compressive strength is very high. Hardness, it is very hard. electric conductivity is 10 raised to 9 ampere per centimeter cross section in metal nanotubes, 1000 times more than the conducting in copper metal. Thermal conductivity is 10 times more than the copper. Glimpse of benefit of nanotechnology for mankind. For health sector, nanotechnology is beneficial. For energy sector, nanotechnology is beneficial. For security purposes, it is also beneficial. Importance of nanotechnology is very useful. Nanotechnology also used in biotechnology, energy, and information technology. It's made IC, etc. using nanotechnology. Material science is also useful for quantum dot and robotics. Other projector phone, etc. are using some important area of nanotechnology. Buckyball, synthetic characterization, nanocomposites, biocarbon nanosensor, nanotechnology, energy source device, future challenge using nanotechnology, environmental problem can be solved, efficiency of renewable sources, help in sustainable plant feature and generation. Nanotechnology, 1 nanometer is equal to 10 raised to 9 meter. Nanoparticle follows bottom-up approach other than the top-down approach. The size of nanoparticle range between 1 to 100 nanometer. Nanomaterials vastly differ properties than repression, reactivity in the fullerene, buckyball, graphene. These are nanoparticles. A carbon nanostructure shows the markedly different physical property like high strength, high hardness, typical electrical and thermal conductivity, and it's also used in energy sector, security, biotechnology, information and robotics, etc.